Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss L hospital rule and the applications in the limits. So, when we have to apply L hospital rule and how to apply the L hospital rule, we will discuss in the applications. See here, if the given limit extends to a, f of x divided by g of x is of the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, these are the forms are called indeterminate forms. Whenever we got this form, then the given limit can be written as, then limit extends to a, f of x divided by g of x can be written as limit extends to a, differentiate of the numerator f dash of x divided by differentiation of denominator g dash of x. After that, you can apply the limit and get the answer. Suppose still in this case also, if you are not able to get that proper limit, again you are getting 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Again case will repeat. If limit extends to a, f dash of x divided by g dash of x is of the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then the given limit can be expressed as limit extends to a, f dash of x by g dash of x can be written as limit extends to a, f double dash of x by g double dash of x. One more time you have to differentiate numerator and denominator. Here one doubt will arise. Sir, till what time we can do the differentiation like this way if the limits are getting this situation? This can be done. This can be continued till we finally arrive at a determined value. That means result, whatever we are going to get now, that is it. So this is the procedure of L hospital rule. For example, we will take it. Limit extends to 0, kth root of 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x, where k is a positive integer. So options are k, minus k, 1 by k, minus 1 by k. So how we are going to apply the L hospital rule for this? So limit extends to 0, kth root of 1 plus x can be written as 1 plus x whole power 1 by k minus 1 divided by x. When we have to apply L hospital rule? whenever the limit goes to be 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Suppose here x is equal to 0. If you substitute 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 power anything is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 and x value is 0. So we are going to reach 0 by 0 form. So in this case only we have to apply L'Hospital rule. By applying L'Hospital rule or simply LH rule, you can write like this also, LH rule. So limit x tends to 0, the derivative of 1 plus x whole power n, like 1 by k is there, n into exponent minus 1. So n is what here? 1 by k. 1 plus x whole power 1 by k minus 1. Constant derivative 0, by x derivative is 0, 1. So wherever x is there you have to replace with 0. So 1 by k, 1 plus 0 whole power 1 by k minus 1. So 1 power anything is 1 only. So ultimately the answer is 1 by k. So 1 by k is the answer. This is the way the L'Hospital rule is going to utilize. One more example we will consider. This example 2. So limit x tends to infinity, x minus log x divided by x plus log x. So first option 1, second option minus 1, third option 0, fourth option 2. So how to so here also consider the given limit. Limit x tends to infinity, x minus log x divided by x plus log x. X is equal to infinity means infinity minus log infinity. Infinity plus log infinity. Ultimately this is infinity by infinity form. So we know that by applying L'Hospital rule, LH rule, limit x tends to infinity, x d by dx of x 1 minus d by dx of log x 1 by x by d by dx of x is 1, d by dx of log x is 1 by x. We know that as x tends to infinity, 1 by x tends to 0. So this limit goes to be 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1 by 1. So the answer is 1, which is there in the first option. We'll take another example. So if you do that number of problems based on that, you'll get good experience on the subject. So another question. If f of 9 is equal to 9, f dash of 9 is equal to 4 and limit extends to 9, root f of x minus 3 divided by root x minus 3 is equal to. So options are available: 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. First consider the given limit. Limit extends to 9, root f of x minus 3 divided by root x minus 3. So x is equal to 9 if we substitute root f of 9 minus 3 by root 9 minus 3. So ultimately we are going to get 0 by 0 form. So it is indeterminate form. So whenever we are getting indeterminate form, in the next step what we have to do? By using L'Hospital rule. So by applying or by using L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 9. So root f of x, the derivative of root f of x is 1 by 2 root f of x. Again f of x also you have to differentiate f dash of x and constant 3 derivative 0 divided by root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x and constant derivative 0. So now wherever x is there you have to replace with 9. So 1 by 2 root f of 9 into f dash of 9 divided by 1 by 2 root 9, which is equal to, we have the values. F of 9 is equal to, in the question it is mentioned that 9, and f dash of 9 is equal to 4. This is the information is there from the problem. So f dash of 9 value is 4 divided by 2 into root f of 9. So root 9 divided by 1 by 2 root 9. So 1 by 2 root 9, 1 by 2 root 9 get cancelled, 4 by 1 that is equal to 4. So which is there in the first option. I hope everyone understand. One more example we will consider. If f of a equal to 2, f dash of a equal to 1, g of a equal to minus 1, and g dash of a equal to 2, then limit x tends to a, g of x into f of a minus g of a into f of x divided by x minus a equal to. Options are 5, 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 5. So here consider the given limit. Limit x tends to a, g of x into f of a minus g of a into f of x divided by x minus a. X is equal to a, if we substitute, we are going to get 0 by 0 form. So it is indeterminate form. So this time only you can apply L'Hospital rule. So in the L'Hospital rule we have, so by applying L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to a, numerator, differentiation of numerator, f of a is constant, no? So f of a into g of x derivative is g dash of x minus g of a is constant, f of x derivative is f dash of x divided by x minus a derivative is 1. Now after that you can substitute the respective values. X is equal to a, substitute f of a into g dash of a minus g of a into f dash of x. That means f dash of a. So which is equal to f of a value 2, g dash of a value is 2, minus g of a value is minus 1, f dash of a value is 1. So 2 to the 4, minus of minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So 5 is there in the option E. I hope you understand that. Let us take another example. After that we will end the session. If the question is like this, if f of x is equal to x into tan inverse x, then limit extends to 1, f of x minus f of 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to. Options are, first option pi by 4, second option pi plus 1 by 4, third option pi plus 2 divided by 4, fourth option pi plus 3 divided by 4. So this is also example for application of L'Hospital rule. So first you have to consider the given limit. Limit extends to 1, f of x minus f of 1 divided by x minus 1. So f of x value, x is equal to 1 tan inverse 1, f of 1 value. So we need to rectify the values. First f of x, f of x is equal to x into tan inverse x. X is equal to 1, substitute f of 1 minus f of 1 by 1 minus 1, ultimately 0 by 0 form. So we need to apply L'Hospital rule. So by L'Hospital rule, by applying, limit extends to 1, f of x derivative is f dash of x, and constant f of 1 is constant anyway, that value goes to be 0, by x derivative is 1. So we need to calculate f dash of x. So differentiate with respect to x, uv formula, f dash of x is equal to u into, that means x into d by dx of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square, plus v into, that means tan inverse x into d by dx of x is 1. So this is f dash of x. Sir, f of 1, how it will be 0? You are thinking that. F of 1 means x is equal to 1, substitute. F of 1 equal to 1 into tan inverse of 1. 1 into tan inverse of 1. So tan inverse of 1 means what? Pi by 4. So f of 1 value is obviously constant. That is the reason I did here 0. So f dash of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of x. This is f dash of x. Now substitute in this. So limit x tends to 1, x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x. So which is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 plus tan inverse of 1. So 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 means pi by 4. How means? So tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. pi by 4 is equal to tan, we are taking into this set, tan inverse of 1. Take LCM. So pi plus 2, that is according to the options, if you go pi plus 2 by 4, so which is there in the third option. I hope everyone understand, dear students. Thank you for watching my channel Maths with Panindra. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you in my free time. Thank you all.